Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube and would like to look at this specific unit and all its still pictures and the description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we have a new arrival to the dealership. It is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica touring model with some really nice bells and whistles inside of this thing at a very, very good price. The exterior color on this specific unit is black in color. On the front, you're going to see the standard fog lights there at the bottom, along with your automatic headlamps up top. It also comes with a 18-inch alloy wheel, which is a really nice feature with this van. On the rear of the van, you're going to notice towards the bottom that you're going to have 4 circles that run along the bottom. Those are your backup sensors. Great when you're trying to get in them tight spots. They'll definitely let you know when you're close. And it also is paired with the backup camera that's built in right above the license plate bracket. With them two combined, there should be no reason you should not be able to get into them super tight areas when parking, for example, downtown in a tight spot. This vehicle is equipped with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor that's going to get you on the highway nearly 30 miles per gallon, which is phenomenal in a full-size SUV or a full-size van. This van, also with that 3.6 liter motor, has been tried and proven. It's been around since 2011, and they've been using it in multiple different models throughout the Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram lineup. On the interior of this van, you're going to notice it's going to have power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and capability to lock the rear windows. On the driver's seat, you're going to have an 8-way power seat and a 4-way lumbar. Automatic headlamps, like I mentioned earlier. And on the interior of this vehicle, on the steering wheel, you're going to have 4 knobs here with an OK button in the center. What they do is they operate your instrument cluster, which is placed right in between your RPM gauge on the left and your miles per gauge on the right. It's going to show you a range of different features, whether it's your range of how far you have till empty, your current tire pressure on each tire. The most common one, as I'm on now, is miles per gallon. And there's a couple other features in there as well. For example, it'll show you what radio station you're on. Nice feature to use. Underneath that, you're going to see 3 buttons. You can pair your phone with this specific unit. You no longer have to reach for your phone to answer the phone call. You simply just hit the phone button. It'll answer it for you, and you'll be having your conversations through your speaker system. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your features for your cruise control. And on the backhand side, right behind the cruise control, you're going to have all your buttons to increase the volume on your radio and decrease the volume on the radio. On the left-hand side behind, you'll have all the options to change radio stations and do a couple other nice features on your radio with that button also. For your radio, you have a very large touchscreen radio. This is an AM, FM, and XM capable radio. With the XM radio, you do get a free subscription when purchasing this van brand new. Also, you have a media button where you can store media into. You also have a dual climate control center. So not only can you set your temperature on 63 degrees, for example, you could set the driver on 63, and as it's set here, the passenger on 69. So it's set in 2 different zones, so the passenger's getting a little warmer air than the driver. And another cool feature is you can set it on auto, and it'll automatically blow at that 63 or 69 degree area until it gets to that proper area, and it'll adjust the speed up or down from there. Really nice feature. Multitude of apps that are built into this radio with the app button, and also, like I said, you can pair your phone with there, and your digital compass built right into the radio if you would like it. Right under that, you're going to have all your radio knobs on the outside here for your volume, and also to change channel from right there. This vehicle also is equipped with what they call start-stop feature. So if you're sitting at a red light, for example, and your foot is on the brake, your motor may shut off. If it does, everything in your van will work properly as it did before the motor shut off. And as soon as you let off the brake, the motor will automatically start, you'll hit the gas, and you'll go forward as normal. This is a great feature when you're looking to save on fuel economy out on the road. Underneath that, you're going to have all your another option to change your climate control. So here's your driver's side temperature, your passenger side temperature, and then your knob to adjust the speed. So there's definitely two ways to adjust your AC or heat. Underneath that, you're going to have two cubby holes for storage, and then also an enclosed storage bin down there with the change holders. Down there towards the bottom by your legs, you're going to notice you have a 12-volt DC charger, a USB charger, and a nice storage bin down there. Also, you're going to have a storage bin that's built right underneath the center console, which is right where your cup holders are, and another little knick-knack storage area. Above the driver's seat, you're going to have 3 universal garage door openers where you can program your garage door opener into that. You no longer have to carry them around, up to 3 different garage doors. This specific unit does have power liftgate and power sliding doors, as you can see there on both sides. And those buttons can also shut the power doors and the power liftgate. Another really nice feature when loading kids or groceries in the rear of the van. And you can also do that from your remote. So you not only can do it from inside the van by touching the doors, you can also do it by the remote. For the rear of the van, this particular van is an 8-passenger van, and the way you get the 8-passenger van is with this bench seat here in the center. This centerpiece can come out and it can be a 7-passenger van, but a nice feature to buy from the factory just in case you might need them for one of them long trips and have an extra person. This vehicle also does have stow and go capability. So without this center seat in, these two captain's chairs at that time would fold into the floor, and so would that rear bench, which I'll show you in a minute. Another nice feature on these two captain's chairs on the front or in the center bench here is they do have the hooks for the car seats. Safety is a #1 feature, another #1 thing that's on Chrysler's mind, and I'm glad they put them in. What a nice feature when you have them car seats. Like I said, power liftgate, which I just showed you. Large storage bin down below in the rear, and also this rear bench will fold flat into the floor along with your captain's chairs, and you will have a very large surface if you would need to haul something extremely large inside. And again, this is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. You're going to get in the high 20s, if not the low 30s on the highway as far as fuel economy. Very nice 18-inch alloy wheels, seating for up to 8, exterior black in color, touchscreen radio, all kinds of goodies inside. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 total units in stock ready for delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button so you're notified of all of our current, upcoming, and new inventory daily. Also,